Solving for a specified variable, literal equations. A formula is an example of a linear equation, an equation involving letters. This is the formula for simple interest. Here we have I, which is equal to P times R times T, where I is the variable for the simple interest, P is the variable for dollars, R is the variable for annual interest rate, and T is the variable for years. Now, continued, we have another formula which gives the future value or the maturity value, A of P dollars invested for T years at an annual simple interest rate R. Here the formula is A is equal to P times 1 plus RT. A represents the variable for future or maturity value. P is the variable for dollars. 1 is a fixed value or a fixed number, so that doesn't change, it stays as 1. R is the variable for annual simple interest rate, and T is the variable for years. Now, if you want to then take a look at, let's say that instead of them giving the time as years, and let's say they give it to us in months. So whatever the amount of months would be, so for example, if they said 8 months, then that would be 8 divided by how many months that you have in a year, which is 12. If they give you days, then you also need to consider how many days are in a year. So if they said, well, we're giving you the value of T is in 150 days. Well, then that means you would have to calculate the days, 150 divided by how many days that are in a year, which would be over 365. So those are just things to consider depending on the information that's given within the problem.